This is dramatic. This is incredible.
This really is.
Seabirds could come now and drink, oder?
Why they are busy?
Take the chance while they're busy. Wow.
You know, lions, they are very clever.
Mm-hmm. But it probably needs 9, oder?
Yeah.
Do they even have a chance with this rhino?
Rhino?
Who has a better chance? Is that the rhino or the lions?
Rhinos.
Okay.
That was a really good spot. Who spotted it? You did?
Me?
Yeah, that was a great spot.
Good, eh? Good eyes.
You saw the last time the rhino. You have eyes for rhinos.
One coming in from the back.
Feel like everybody is
Mm-hmm. No one wants to climb on his back here.
It's like the zebra now.
Zebra, they say, no, it's too much in.
The zebras are gone.
They are all
Yeah.
gone.
But the lions are now acting like the zebra. You go.
Yeah. You first.
He's very
They're pretty
fast,
gutsy. Look at, they're getting up close.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the male lion sitting back there?
Yeah, he's just watching.
Yeah,
Is he just sitting there watching?
Yeah.
That's unbelievable.
You know that they cannot do anything on the rhino.
He's a lazy butt there.
Unbelievable.
Look at the rhino starting even drink.
Yeah. I get you. Unglaublich. He's in the water.
Oh yeah.
Probably can't move that fast in the water.
Wow. Magnificent.
No,
just
you don't
stomped
see
his
this every
feet.
day either, don't you?
Ah. No.
He can't fall. If he falls down, then...
He slipped.
Mm-hmm.
Those lions are hungry.
I know.
That's
Oh,
a
shit.
Ooh, whoa, whoa.
They might have dinner after all.
He has to get out of the water.
Yeah. He slipped.
Yeah. But did you see how fast he got out?
Yeah, that's amazing for an animal.
Yeah,
It's
that
nice.
has to be very fast. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're getting you in the water. It will be.
Curious that he stays in the water. big one is still laying back there, huh?
Yeah.
No,
All the rest of them are there then.
he's not doing squat.
Just only watching.
This other one's gonna go off and see if he can get a zebra.
He said, no, the zebra is better than the heavy one.
Yeah.
See if he can catch a zebra while they're watching the show. Oh, Gabriel, that was spectacular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really.
Good spot.
Yeah, that was